Hello there. The EU Commission has put out a statement saying it is starting legal proceedings against the UK for our intended actions on the Northern Ireland Protocol. Firstly, please subscribe and like this video to give my channel a boost. And I'm always uploading new content, so please do check back every day. And a big thanks to my Patreon and PayPal supporters. The EU Commission issued a statement this afternoon stating, "The European Commission has sent today a letter of formal notice to the United Kingdom for breaching the substantive provisions of the Protocol on Ireland and Northern Ireland, as well as the good faith obligation under the withdrawal agreement. This marks the beginning of a formal infringement process against the United Kingdom. It is the second time in the space of 6 months that the UK government is set to breach international law." This is in response to the UK saying it will continue with some temporary waivers on certain border procedures to help businesses adapt. Now, straight away you notice that the EU Commission uses the term "set to break international law." That means we have not yet done so. They are therefore setting the legal wheels in motion before any supposed breach has actually occurred. And just so you know, the protocol is overseen by the ECJ. And EU Vice President Maroš Šefčovič, who chairs the Withdrawal Agreement Joint Committee with Lord David Frost, said, "The protocol on Ireland and Northern Ireland is the only way to protect the Good Friday Agreement and to preserve peace and stability while avoiding a hard border on the island of Ireland and maintaining the integrity of the EU single market." He completely ignores the requirement within the Good Friday Agreement to not interfere with the constitutional position of Northern Ireland within the UK without the say-so of the people of Northern Ireland, something that has not been sought. The EU continues to willfully ignore this crucial aspect. And this is leading to a hardening of opinion against the protocol amongst pro-UK unionists, who hate an Irish sea border as much as nationalists hate a border across the whole island of Ireland. Anyway, the EU says it has started a two-pronged attack. First is this formal letter to the UK, and the second is what it calls a political letter from Šefčovič to Lord David Frost. This letter calls on the UK government to rectify and refrain from putting into practice the statements and guidance published on the 3rd and 4th of March 2021. Now, Brussels has said we must instead engage with them using the Joint Committee, the same committee they ignored when they triggered Article 16 while trying to stop vaccines going into Northern Ireland. And they have the gall to put in their statement that our actions are a clear departure from the constructive approach that had prevailed up until this point, thereby undermining both the work of the Joint Committee and the mutual trust and spirit of cooperation that had been rebuilt. Well, I gather from the Telegraph that Westminster is not at all fazed by this and expects the process to rumble on over many months and eventually get overtaken by events as these issues get ironed out. But I'm not so sure. All the courts I've seen in action over the last 5 or so years were extremely eager to clear the decks for anything anti-UK where Brexit was concerned. But the bottom line is that it's now obvious that Brussels is intent on overreacting to anything the UK does. So what do you think about the EU starting infringement proceedings against the UK? Please share and comment below. And if you want to hear more from me, please don't forget to subscribe and also press that little bell, or you won't get any notifications. And if you want to see more of me, buy a mug with my mug on it by following the link in the descriptions box below, and support me on Patreon or PayPal. And thank you for watching.